Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your new Android phone, step by step. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. From the Settings menu, tap on Wi-Fi and turn it on. Your phone will start searching for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Tap on your Wi-Fi name, enter the password, and tap Connect. Once connected, you'll see Connected under the network name. To set up Bluetooth on your phone, simply go back to the Settings menu, tap on Bluetooth and turn it on. Your phone will start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Make sure the device you want to connect, like earbuds, headphones, or a speaker, is in pairing mode. Tap on the device name and confirm the pairing request. Once connected, you're ready to use Bluetooth on your Android phone. And that's it. You've successfully set up both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your new Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.